The whitecaps are calling to hush, baby, hush above. Hear the ocean's gentle roar. Now the bright red sun is glowing at the end of day. Hear the distant tugboats blow.
Hello, this is Carl.
As the seagulls play over sand, over sea, flying free.
It's Arena.
The breezes of sand of the sea is a soft, dreamy lullaby. Sleep, my darling, go to
What do you got?
Little sailboats dance the water, yellow, white, and blue. Daddy's sailing towards the water, coming home to you with a hand in your heart and the bluey winds homeward. The sound of the sea is a soft, dreamy lullaby.
This is an ice cream for kids.
Sleep, my darling, go to sleep. Sleep, my darling, go to sleep.
Hey Anya, how is it? Hey Squeaky, how you doing? How is it?
Great.
Great. What do you think, Louie? Is it tasty?
Yeah.
Bev? Eating one? Are you eating one or no? I don't see one there. How about you, Roger? So
Banana
we
cooked.
have
Wait,
bananas and
but I
marshmallows.
want it to be cooked inside.
This is a banana here.
You know. Yay!
That's-
I'll have to. Wait, or me and we can split it.
The sound of the sea is a soft, dreamy lullaby.